Hello, grade 2. How are you today? Good. I hope that all of you are in good health and in good condition like me. Okay, so our topic or our subject for today is Social Studies UAE. Okay, so this is our third week of home learning, and this week we will only have the revision. So this is our revision week. Okay, so in our social studies UAE, I have prepared topics to be discussed. Okay, so I prepared PowerPoint for all of you to have clear to have a clearer discussion about these topics that I'm going to give you or discuss to you. Okay, so just look at the laptop and look at those topics and examples that I'm going to give you. Okay, so let's start now. Are you ready to listen? Good. Okay, so our topics are we have the Arab world, we have the Arabian Gulf, and the Marib Dam in Yemen. Okay, so these are the complicated ones that we have to rediscuss, no? That I have to rediscuss with you. Okay, first we have the topic, the Arab world. Okay, we have two focuses or learning objectives. One is identify and locate the Arab world in the map. The second one is locate the three main parts of the Arab world in the map. So this is more of um, practicing your map skills. Okay. Okay. What do you see in the map? Yes, it is the map of the Arab world. Okay. Do you know that Arab world is made up of 22 Arab-speaking countries, and these countries are spread into across two continents, Asia and Africa. And these countries stretch from Atlantic Ocean in the west and the Arabian Sea in the east, north, south, east, and west. Okay, let's see. What are those 22 Arab speaking comprise of the Arab world? Let's, do you still remember them? Very good. Let's have it one by one. We have here the Mauritania, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Sudan. We have here the Somalia, and here down the Somalia is the Comoros. Okay. We have here the Djibouti, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, yeah, and Kuwait. And we have here the Iraq. We have here the Syria, the Jordan. Right here is the Palestine, and there is the um, Lebanon. Okay, so very good. All of you are very good. So let's see it again. Yeah. Okay, so again, Mauritania, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Sudan. We have here the Somalia. Here is the Comoros, Djibouti, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Syria, Jordan, Palestine, and Lebanon. Very good. So all of you got it. The 22 Arab-speaking countries. Okay, give yourself a big hand. Okay, very good. Okay, next. There are three main parts of the Arab world, right? Do you still remember them? Yes. We have the Arab Gulf countries and Yemen. We have the Levant and Iraq, and we have the African Arab countries. Okay, so these are the three main parts of the Arab world. So the Gulf countries, why they are called Gulf countries again? What are the different Gulf countries except Yemen? Okay, Yemen is part of Arabian Peninsula, but the Gulf countries, it is not. It is not a Gulf country. So what are those Gulf countries? We have the Oman, we have the UAE, the Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia. Okay, so we can consider also the Iraq because it is an Arab state, which also share borders with Arabian Gulf. So this six or seven, including the Iraq, are the countries that share border in or with the Arabian Gulf. Okay. Next, the Levant and Iraq. Levant. What is Levant? So Levant comprised of the countries like Iraq, Syria, Jordan, um, Palestine, and Lebanon. Okay, so those are the Levant countries. And next is the African Arab countries. So these are the rest of the countries like the Mauritania, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Sudan, what else? Egypt, Comoros, Somalia, Djibouti. So those are the African Arab countries. Okay. In this topic, the Arab world, you are going to color the three main parts. Okay, you're going to color the three main parts of the Arab world. Okay, you will color the African Arab countries brown. You're going to color the Levant and Iraq green, and you're going to color the Gulf countries and Yemen orange. Okay, so that is one of your tasks to answer about our lesson for today. Okay. Our home learning today, you are not required to accomplish worksheets. You will just be given some questions about the topics that we will discuss or we discuss with you. Okay? So next is the Arabian Gulf. Okay. We have two focuses or learning objectives. First, recognize the Arabian Peninsula in the Arab world map. So we are going to concentrate with Arabian Peninsula. Next. Locate the four bodies of water surrounding the Arabian Peninsula. Okay. Look at again the map. So the where is the Arabian Peninsula in the map? Yes, very good. Here it is. So Arabian Peninsula is situated in the Arab world. Okay, it is inside the Arab world. Okay, so what are the countries inside the Arabian Peninsula? This time, Yemen is included because we are talking about Arabian Peninsula, not about Gulf countries. Okay, so we have the Arabian Peninsula countries. We have the Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia. Okay. Now, Peninsula. How many sites are there in Peninsula? Very good. 3 sites. How about islands? Very good. 4 sites. Because why island has 4 sites? Because they are completely surrounded by water. Okay. Unlike Peninsula, they are just surrounded with bodies of water into 3 sites only. Okay. So one of our focuses is the bodies of water that surrounds the Arabian Peninsula. It is three sides, but there are four bodies of water that surround it. Okay, so what are those? We have the Arabian Gulf here, we have the Gulf of Oman here, we have the Arabian Sea here, and we have the Red Sea here. So four bodies of water, three sides, one, two, three. Okay, so this time you are going to write, no? You're going to write the four bodies of water that surround the Arabian Peninsula according to their location in the map. Okay, so that is your task for this lesson. Yes, very good. Next, our third topic is the Marib Dam in Yemen. So our focus is to differentiate man-made and natural materials and their examples. Okay, who can differentiate man-made, natural and man-made materials? Okay, so here it is. Natural materials are things that come directly from the environment. They cannot be replaced. Nobody can replace natural resources. This is about all the creations of beautiful creations of God. Okay, so even the wisest, even the scientists, even the most brilliant people in the world cannot replace natural materials. But people can change natural materials into man-made materials. Okay? So these are the examples of natural resources or natural materials. We have the water, air, soil, trees, rocks, and sand. Okay, so next, let's go to man-made materials. What is man-made materials? Man-made materials are created by man or people that does not occur naturally in the environment. Okay, so as I've said earlier, okay, so these are the examples of the man-made materials: paper, lumber, glass bottles, and jars. Okay, so as I've said earlier, natural materials can be changed. We can change, people can change natural materials into man-made materials. Why? Okay, because for example, the paper is made up of the trees. Okay, glass bottles, we can produce or we can create bottles and jars out of sand. Okay, we can also have lumber out of trees. So these are what we mean by uh, people can change natural materials into man-made materials. Is that clear? Okay, very good. So let's see. I have here four things. If you materials, is it man-made or natural? Toothpaste. Yes, it is man-made material. Limestone. Yes, it is natural material. Pottery. Yes, it is man-made material. And clay is natural resources. Very good. Okay, do you know that limestone toothpaste can be made out of limestone? And the pottery is made out of clay. So that is the changing of natural resources to man-made resources or materials. Did I make myself clear now? Very good. So, um, you were given questions in the Google Classroom that you are going to answer. We also gave you the revision sheets that you are going to practice in your house. Okay, so that it will help you to get a, a higher score, no? A higher score for your third exam. So keep on practicing those questions that we gave you. Okay? So this is all for now. Always remember that Teacher Mildred loves you. Bye-bye.